Postman Pat and his black and white cat. Early in the morning, just as day is dawning, he picks up all the post bags in his van. Postman Pat, Postman Pat, Postman Pat and his black and white cat. All the birds are singing and the day is just beginning. Pat feels he's a really happy man. Everybody knows his bright red band. All his friends will smile as he waves to greet them. Maybe you can never be sure. There'll be knock, ring, parcels to your door. Postman Pat, Postman Pat, Postman Pat and his black and white cat. All the birds are singing and the day is just beginning. Pat feels he's a really happy man. Pat feels he's a really happy man.
Hello, Pat.
More Christmas cards for you, Amy.
Thanks, Pat.
Never mind, Jess. It's Christmas Day tomorrow.
Are you going to the party in Pencaster Square tonight, Pat?
Of course. We can't wait, can we, Jess?
No, me. I'll see you there.
Bye. Special delivery service. Pat speaking.
Hi, Pat. Can you get to Pencaster Station by 12 o'clock? There's an extra special delivery coming on the Pencaster Flyer.
No problem, Ben. We're on our way. Come on, Jess. We've got a special delivery. What's it going to be today?
What's it going to be today?
Oh, the tree's looking lovely. Yes, I've just got to add the children's presents. Hey! Bonnie! Mince pies are not for dogs!
Hi, Ben. So, what's this mysterious delivery?
You're about to find out.
Hello! Come for your special delivery. Ta-da!
Wow! I've never seen such a big Christmas stocking. What's it for?
The children are going to fill it with Secret Santa presents for the grown-ups.
What a great idea!
You've got to take it to Greendale School first and then on to Pencaster Square in time for the party tonight. Hello? Arthur? Yes, I'll tell him, Arthur. Bye. The melting snow's causing problems. Arthur's had to close the road to Greendale.
Oh, no!
Don't worry. If we can't get there by road, we'll get there by air.
Ta-da! The grown-ups are going to be so surprised when they get their Secret Santa presents.
Who's yours for, Julian?
Mrs. Goggins. Well, Bonnie really.
Mine's for Amy.
Mine's for PC Selby.
I'm painting a picture for your dad, Julian.
He'll love that.
Mine's for Ajay. It's a model of the Pencaster Flyer. Woo, 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 woo.
Bill!
Oh, sorry, Mira.
Okay, everybody. Pat's arriving soon.
Aww.
What is it, Mira?
My present's ruined, Mrs. Taylor. I'll have to start again.
Bye. Fly safely.
How are you getting on, Mira?
Nearly finished, Mrs. Taylor. There.
Well done. Now we've got to wrap it up and put it with the others. It's Dad!
He's here!
Okay, children, start passing the presents. Come in, Pat.
Yes, Lauren?
That's all the presents, Pat. There's 15 of them.
Thanks, Lauren. Coming down to collect the stocking now.
It's raining Christmas presents. Well, I never.
Ready to lower the stocking now, Ben?
Ben, is there a problem? You could say that, Pat. The presents, they've disappeared. Oh, this is a disaster, Pat. There's a hole in the stocking. The presents must have fallen out.
I'll have to go back and find them. But first, let's mend this stocking.
PC Selby has reopened the road, so we can set off the Pencaster straight away.
Hooray! What's this?
It's Pat's present. It must have got left behind in the rush.
Don't worry, Mira. We'll slip it into the stocking when we get to Pencaster. Now, where did I put my... Right. Come on, everybody. Let's get this Secret Santa minibus on the road.
Hello, Amy? Are you still out on Pumpkin? Good. We need your help to find some lost Christmas presents. I'll meet you near Thompson Ground in 5 minutes.
Hello there, Alf.
Look, Amy, it's been raining Christmas presents.
And I think I know just who's looking for it.
I just hope I can put my present in the stocking.
I'm sure you will, Mira. We'll be there in a few minutes.
I've got one, Pat.
Well done, Amy. I've spotted a few more from the helicopter. The others can't be far away. Ooh. Yes!
Yes!
No!
Yes!
Yes! 12, 13, 14. There's still one missing, but we've got to go. Hello, Ben.
Have you got the presents, Pat?
All but one, Ben. We'll be heading back soon.
There's heavy snow on the way, Pat. You can't risk flying back. It could be dangerous.
I'll have to find another way to get the presents to Pencaster before the snow starts.
What are you doing, Pat?
I've got an idea. Right, that should do it. The party will be starting soon, so let's go.
Walk on, Pumpkin. Good boy.
Why have we stopped, Mrs. Taylor?
I'm sorry, everybody. We're stuck.
What are we going to do, Mrs. Taylor?
We might have to stay here all night.
Look! Out there!
It's Pat with Amy and Pumpkin.
What's that he's pulling?
Our Christmas stocking! But shouldn't it be in Pencaster by now?
Yeah, sure.
Hello there. Need some help?
We can't start the party without the children.
They should be here by now.
1, 2, 3. Push!
Oh, it's no good, Pat. We'll never do it. Not without more people.
We haven't got any more adults, Amy. But we have got a horse. Ready, Amy? Right, let's get this minibus unstuck. Push!
Walk on, Pumpkin. Come on.
Good boy.
Oh! We've done it! Right, everybody, back on the minibus. We've got a special delivery to make. I'm just sorry we never found that last present.
You have now, Pat.
Thanks, Mira.
Christmas holiday. Christmas holiday. Yes, all our friends are here and we can have some fun now at Christmas.
Oh, what are we going to do? You can't have a Christmas party without children. Don't worry, everybody. I'm sure. Listen!
It sounds like... Look! Everybody look!
It's Pat and the children.
You made it! You made it!
Hey, ho, ho, ho!
What's in the stocking?
Secret Santa presents. We made them ourselves.
Who are they for? For you.
All of you.
Ooh!
Bonnie loves her toy.
And this is one of the best presents I've ever had. Thank you, Mira.
Would you do the honours, Pat?
Go on, Dad.
Yes, go on.
Thanks for coming, everyone. Have a great party and Merry Christmas. Special delivery service. Mission accomplished.
Special delivery.